Welcome students. Here in this topic we'll study about three types of work: positive work, negative work and zero work. Yes. First we'll see about positive work. When the displacement when the force and displacement are in same direction, then that is a positive work. Means suppose this is the object, and if you apply the force on the object, yes, from this side, an object moves straight, means direction of force and direction of displacement both in same direction, so their angle will be 0, then the work is said to be positive work. Second is negative work. When the displacement is in opposite direction, suppose this is the object, yes, if you apply the force in this direction, yes, here, an object displacement opposite, correct, then such type of work will be negative work, then that is a negative work. And zero work, if this is the object and if you apply the force is perpendicular, object displacement in this direction, and if you apply the force perpendicular, how the object will move? So that work will be 0. So this is called zero work. See in this case again, how work is positive. First, in case of positive work, force acts along the direction of displacement, that is the positive work. Means suppose this is the object, if you are applying the force on the object in this direction and the object displacement in this direction, so here what will happen? What angle will be there? 0 degree. So the angle between force and displacement will be 0. If you put cos 0 is 1, value of cos 0 is 1, putting this value in equation, W is equal to Fs cos theta, putting the value of theta is 0 degree, so cos 0 is 1. So what will the equation? W is equal to F into S. So Fs, that is the positive work. So this is called positive work. See in the case of negative work, suppose if the work done, negative work first, if the work done is said to be negative if the force acts on a body in the opposite direction. Means suppose if you consider this is the object, if you are applying force in this direction, an object is moving in this direction, correct? So what will the angle? This angle will be 180 degree. So cos 180 value is -1 here, and if you put cos 180 -1 in this equation of work, so W is equal to Fs into cos 180. So W is equal to cos 180 is -1. So -1 into Fs means W is equal to -F into S. So this work will be negative. Therefore such work, that is called negative work. And second, the third, that is the zero work. When the work is said to be 0, the force act on the body is perpendicular to its motion. Suppose this is the object, yes, if you are applying the force in this direction, perpendicular, and object displacement in this direction, so force and displacement makes a 90 degree angle here, 90 degree angle. So putting the value of cos 90 is 0 degree, cos 90 degree is 0 value, putting the value F is equal to Fs cos theta. So cos 90 is 0, so 0 multiplied by F into S, 0. Therefore W is equal to 0 means work is 0. In this way there are three types of work. As compared to this positive work, the angle between force and displacement is 0, then it is positive work. In the other language, if the force and displacement in same direction, then it is a positive work. Negative work, if the force and displacement is opposite direction, it is a negative work. Or if the angle between the force and displacement is 180 degree, then the cos 180 is -1, means work will be negative. And third, that is the zero work, if the force and displacement, applied force is perpendicular to the displacement of the object, then it is a 0 work. Means value of 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. Putting the value of cos 90 0 in this equation, W equal to Fs cos 90. So cos 90 0, F into S into 0 means W is equal to 0. In this way, the work will be 0. So these are the three types of work. Again, you can see one video about positive, negative and 0 work. I will show you this video, you can understand.
Positive, negative, and zero work. Positive work. When the angle between the force and direction of displacement is acute, theta is less than 90 degrees, work is positive. W equals Fs cos theta. Example, stretching of a spring. Negative work. When the angle between force and direction of displacement is obtuse, force has a component in a direction opposite to displacement. Work is negative. Example, work done by a frictional force. Zero work. When the angle between force and direction of displacement is 90 degrees, then work done is zero. W equals Fs cos theta is 0. Work energy theorem. When work is done on a body